Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an GlamEgo box unboxing. So let's get started with it. And I'm really very sorry I'm not being able to upload a lot of videos nowadays, but I'll try to make up. So let's start with the GlamEgo box. So this is the January 2018 box. It says no resolutions GlamEgo box. Okay, so the color is nice. It's in a ombre shade. So these are all the products and the leaflets. So let's start. This is the information card. So let's start with one by one. The first one is the Bio Bloom Face Radiance Oil. So this is how it looks, and it says that it is one of the top organic brand, the BioBloom. Everybody knows about it. And this is, you have to take a few drop of the oil and apply before your day cream. So this is how it looks. It says age defying and radiance booster, 100% natural, 15 ml, and it is for 1499. Oh my god, this is very costly. So this is the first product. The next product is the makeup product. It is from Bella Veste, the perfect gloss, and you had an option to choose the shade. So I have chosen, okay, this is how it looks. I have chosen the shade Turf Tan 01. It is a completely nude shade, and this is how the swatch looks like, and it's pretty good. It's moisturizing and it has that glossy effect. I really liked it. It's a nude shade, which I love. Then we have the Bath and Body Natural Bath and Body Grapefruit and Vitamin C. This is a cream. Okay, so this is how it looks. You have to apply it on your face. And this is the Bella Veste lip color was for $5.99, and the Natural Bath and Body Grapefruit and Vitamin C cream is for $2.20, and it says your lighter, whiter and brighter fix. So this is, I think, a brightening and whitening cream. And the last product is the skincare or makeup up to $3.50. So this is my last product. It is from McCaffeine. It is a shower gel. It is 50 ml. It says paraben free. So this is how it looks. The cost of this is given as up to 350 rupees, and here it is written 189 rupees. 50 ml shower gel. So these are all the products that I have received in my GlamEgo box. I hope you liked the unboxing. Please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you.